Okay, so I'm getting close to that 15K mark right now on Fiverr. I have been doing it for around 6 months now, and I want to share some tips on how I succeeded so fast and how basically I earned money and start doing my job very profitably, because it's really hard getting your first gig. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you and showcase you how you can make your first gig on Fiverr, how to get that first client, because after you get your first client, everything is easy. And trust me, I'm not going over those tips like do nice cover, do nice. I'm really going to showcase you some important things if you want to ever get your first Fiverr client, and later on you will boost it up into the profitable business. But how to get that first order, how to get that first gig order on your Fiverr, let's go right now, and I will showcase you how am I doing that, and I'll share with you some examples. So first off, what you want to do on Fiverr is really important. You can do a lot of things on Fiverr, but don't, if you're, for example, the best example right now is design. So you're a designer, you're doing a Photoshop, and you're great at it. You don't need to go and make the logos. Everybody on the Fiverr is doing logos. Like, for example, if we go on and search for, let's say, logo, look how many people are doing logos on Fiverr. If you're a designer, don't do what everyone is doing. You don't need to do logos if everybody is doing. Let's do, for example, NFT characters. Why not? Why don't you draw the NFT characters? Because NFTs are extremely popular right now. Make your gig for the NFT art, or for the, for example, crypto logo. If you're doing logos, you want to do logos, do for the crypto projects, why not? So first off, the gig creation is important, and why you need to understand that is you don't want to get you don't want to disappear into the Fiverr abyss and get zero orders for like 6 months. You want to do something that is trending and something that people are in need of. So definitely NFT creations are booming right now. So if you're doing a design, do NFT gig. This is going to deliver, and this is going to bring you your first order very soon, and you will not have to wait for like 6 months to get your first order on Fiverr. Also, I will share more examples right now. So this is the NFT Pro's profile. He's the level 1 seller, and you can see that this is how his gig is looking like. One thing that is extremely important is that when you boost the price, so for example, his prices are pretty good, because on the basic package he named that one base character is 70 euros. So of course, if you're doing like 10k NFT collection, you will not get 10k NFT collection for 70 euros. It will be so this is 10,000 unique NFT collection, one base character and 75 traits, so that's for 1.5k euros. So basically, you want to make a basic package as cheap as possible. So make one NFT only for 70 euros, because when you search for, let's say right now, NFT, he will pop up. And you can see that this girl has like 700 euros starting. This guy has 500 euros, 200 euros, 500 euros, and all the way people are like, oh, okay, I don't have money for that. But when they go and check out this guy with 70 euros only, they're going to go to his gig and see, oh, I'm getting only one character, but he's doing pretty good. Okay, let's check his standard package. So with that lower price on your basic gig, you are going to get much more traction. So definitely go for the trending niches and go for the what no one else is doing right now. Go for a little competitive as you can niche for your first gig. So 70 euros is pretty good, and this guy is getting a lot of orders. Of course, how to make a great gig description and everything I will not tell in this video. We are going to make that in some other videos, but this is why it's so important. I will deliver 3 more tips in this video, and actually 3 examples. So first off is this NFT character design. A great example of how fast you can get. He's already level 1 seller, and he is doing this job pretty good. So one more, how would I say, example is, if you're doing a TikTok and you have a brand, it's pretty cool to promote, and everybody's looking for the cheap marketing in the space of business. So, for example, I will promote your song, music, or brand on my almost 400k, sorry, TikTok account. So this is the girl who is doing it, and you can see that she has a lot of followers, and you can see that she's dancing on your song for only like 60 euros. So this is a great example of how gig can do good, and she has a lot of orders, 3 orders in queue, and this is for the TikTok of 15 seconds. Standard is 30 seconds, so it's a little bit more expensive, and premium is also repost on Instagram story. So this girl is doing pretty amazing job. You can check her like geek description is also done very professionally, and she's offering promotion on Fiverr, which is also great thing. So for example, you can see Telegram promotion, for example, if you are going on to the crypto niche or something like that. So for example, NFT promotion on the Telegram, this guy is going to send a lot of messages to a lot of crypto group members for 100 euros. So this is also great. Don't go for like, I'm doing marketing for your brand. So if you go and check marketing, just marketing, I will be your marketing, I will make your marketing plan, blah blah blah. It's basically oversaturated, so there's like 60,000 services available. But if you go, for example, on Telegram marketing, only 1k. That's the thing that I wanted to tell you also with the NFT creations. So you will have 60 times lower competition on these videos, and definitely you should do that. So go for a narrow niche. So these guys are also getting orders, and it will be a long time when you come to the first order in just the marketing niche. I will do marketing plan. No, go for narrow niche. And last but not least, one example of programming, also narrow niche. So I will develop a Telegram bot. So this guy is programmer, and he is going to develop the Telegram bot, for example, for the crypto project, for the maybe like greetings, or here's the catalog for the some projects or some products actually, yeah, for the shops, for example. This is also good, cart and in-app payment as well. So this guy is programmer, but he didn't make a gig on Fiverr like I will create your website. No, go for the narrow niche, and you can see that this guy has a lot of orders. So definitely a great example of when you actually go and research on which niche you actually want to go in for your Fiverr gig. So that would be basically it. This is how, and this is probably the most important tip that I'm going to give you on how to get your first order. This is what everybody is doing wrong. So I hope that you actually enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a nice day and goodbye.